CoinZoom Exchange has a few different options to strategize your trading experience. For a straightforward trading experience, just make sure that you are trading under the market column. A market order is an order type that executes immediately against the best price available. This is a basic fundamental trading option. To buy or sell crypto, go to the main trading interface. On the left side is the market watch, and below is where you execute your trading. First, you will select the type of crypto you wish to buy. In this example, I select Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you are buying, and the equal US dollar amount will appear on the green Submit button. To sell your crypto is a very similar process. Select the Sell option, where you can enter below the desired amount to sell at market value. You do have options to use exact percentages of your funds to buy the equivalent crypto with. You can also pay your trade fees using Zoom tokens. CoinZoom has some of the best rates in the world, and by using the rewards program, they can be even lower or free. Market orders are often used when rapid execution is prioritized over the price at which the order executes. When placing this order, the trader prefers the trade to happen immediately, but at the best current price available. A future video will cover the buy, limit, sell, stop options.